Okay, so once you have compiled your program, you need to be able to submit that executable file, the exe file that you created. And in order to do that, you're going to have to go to the folder that it was created in, and it'll probably look something like this. It'll have the application file type. It'll be in the debug folder that's directly under your solution folder. The solution folder has your project folder that has your source code file in it. But if you can't see the .exe, you're going to have to change that. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute. First, let's go to the Dropbox and see what happens when we try to submit it. So if I go to the Dropbox and I say, okay, I need to submit my file here, add file, browse, and it's at OSU OKC. Where did I have that? Users, public. So I just left it in the default. So if we go to the right folder and we pick homework and open, now when I hit the upload button, it says this file has a restricted extension, and that's because it has the .exe extension. It's not going to let us load an exe file. So if I go back to that folder, I can't change the extension because I can't see the extension. So I'm going to go to the control panel, to folder options, and I'm going to view, the view tab, and right down here we have hide extensions for known file types. I want to make sure that's unchecked. So that box should be empty. Apply that. Now we see the extension, and if I go back to submit the file, browse again, find that file, now it has the exe, except it's still not going to let us submit it like that. So I'm going to, before I go to the file browser, I'm going to change the file extension, rename that file, and just take the E off the end. It's going to tell me that that could make the file unusable. I say yes, I still want to change it. Then when I go back to the submit files and browse, and it has the .ex instead of exe. Now when I hit upload, it's going to work. And so it got loaded for me. Okay, so if you have any more questions, send me an email and I'll try to guide you through that process again.